Okay guys, we're here for math. We have been working on place value, which is place value. We talk about place value when we're working with two-digit numbers. A two-digit number, for example, would be like the number 10 is a two-digit number. That means there's two numerals in this number. There's a tens place and a ones place, okay? This is why I have the words up here, tens and ones. Alrighty, so yesterday we started using 10 frames to represent two-digit numbers. Now remember, a 10 frame looks like this. This is a 10 frame. The reason why we call it a 10 frame is because it is a rectangle and it has 10 boxes. We use the 10 frames to represent numbers. Every time we put a dot in one of the boxes, that represents a number. For example, this would be the 10 frame for 5 because there are 5 dots in the 10 frame. So this would be representing the number 5. Okay? So when all 10 dots or when all 10 squares are filled in, we call that a group of 10. So I'm going to put this one up on the board. Okay, so anytime we see a 10 frame that is completely filled in, all of the dots are completely filled in, we can refer to it as a group of 10. Now listen to me carefully. I'm saying a group of 10. One group of 10. Where'd my marker go? One. Ooh! Nope, not going to work there. All right, I'm just going to mark it right here. One group of 10, okay? So if I saw this 10 frame and nothing else, I could say that I have one group of 10, okay? Because there's one full 10 frame and no extra ones. Okay, do you see why I did that? Because I have a 10 frame, I have one full 10 frame, which equals one group of 10, and I don't have any extra ones. One group of 10, no extra ones, that will give me the number 10. Do you see how that goes together? The number 10 is one group of 10 and no ones. Okay, let's try another one. Shall we? Alrighty, so I'm going to put this one up. Okay, so I want you to notice, I'll hold it up closer to you. There are two 10 frames on this card. One of the 10 frames is completely filled in, the top one. Do you see the top 10 frame? It's completely filled in. That is one group of 10. As soon as you see a 10 frame that's completely filled in, you can automatically say the number 10 because it's representing the number 10. Then we have another 10 frame, but it's not, it only has one dot filled in. Okay? So I'm looking at these 10 frames. Watch what I do. I have one group of 10. I have one 10 frame completely filled in. One group of 10. And, let me find the other number. I have one extra dot. Do you see that? One full 10 frame, one extra dot. One group of 10 and 1 gives me the number 11. Do you see how I'm doing that? And we can count on the 10 frame to make sure we got right. So we'll start at 10. 10, 11. Yes, we got it right. Okay, let's do another one. Let's just keep going. Okay, let's do this one. Look closely. You don't need to count each and every dot. If you notice, there's two 10 frames on this card. One of them is completely filled in. So what does that represent? What number? The number 10. Very good. So I know that I have 10 and then I have some extra ones. So when I look at these 10 frames, I can say that I have one group of 10, okay? I'm only going to do one star because I have one group of 10. So, one group of 10. Some of you are doing this in the 10 spot. Some of you are putting the number 10 there. That doesn't go there. I know that it's a 10 frame, but we don't put the 10 in the tens place, okay? Because remember, once we get to 10, we switch it out for a group of 10. So I have one group of 10. One group of 10. Let's count how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So find the number 4. Okay, I have one group of 10 and 4 ones. Try to guess what number this is. See if you get it right. One group of 10, 4 ones. Hopefully you said 14. Okay? The number 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones. If I were to count it on the 10 frame, I would go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Are you guys seeing how I'm doing this? Let's try one more. I want to make sure that you guys fully understand. Okay, actually we'll try 2 more. Let's do this one. Okay, I have 2 10 frames here. The top one is completely filled in. The bottom one is not. Okay, so when I look at this card, I know that I have, look, one group of 10. I already know that. I have at least one group of 10 because I have one 10 frame that is completely filled in. That means I have one group of 10 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay? Oops, that's upside down. One group of 10 and 8 ones. Can you guys tell me what number is represented on this card? One group of 10 and 8 ones. You guys say it. 18. Okay? So the number 18 is represented as 1 10 and 8 ones. Do you see that? One group of 10 and 8 ones. Okay, we're going to do one more because I know this one has been popping up on in your math work. I have 2 10 frames. Both of them are completely filled in, aren't they? So now I'm going to say, okay, there's one 10 frame that's filled in. There's another 10 frame. So I made 2 circles here. That means that I have, where is my number 2? 2 groups of 10 because I got to circle 2 10 frames. I have 2 groups of 10 and I have 0 ones because I don't have any ones left over. So 2 10s and no ones. What number is that? The number 20. Great job. The number 20 is 2 10s and no ones. Okay, so for your assignment today, you are going to be using 10 frames again to represent 2-digit numbers and also to figure out 2-digit numbers. So it's important that we know our 10 frames. It's important that if you see a card that looks like this, you only have one group of 10 and 7 extra ones. Not 10 groups of 10. One group of 10. Okay? Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.